6 ways to make your ex miss you during the no contact period. Breaking up is tough. We've all been there. But guess what? The no contact rule isn't just about creating distance. It's a powerful strategy to reset, reflect, and yes, make your ex miss you like crazy. Today, I'm sharing 6 proven ways to make them miss you during the no contact period. Stick around because tip number 6 might surprise you. 1. Focus on self-improvement. First up, focus on yourself. The no contact period is your chance to level up. Hit the gym, try new hobbies, or invest in self-care. When your ex sees or hears about the new, improved you, they'll start wondering, wait, why did I let them go? Confidence is attractive, always. 2. Leverage social media wisely. Social media can be your secret weapon, but only if you use it smartly. Post updates that show you living your best life. Travel pics, fun outings, or even your new hobby. But avoid anything too obvious or aimed directly at your ex. The key is subtlety. Make them curious. 3. Stay mysterious. Silence is golden. Don't post too often and don't overshare with mutual friends. When your ex can't figure out what's going on with you, they'll naturally start to think about you more. Curiosity sparks interest, and interest creates longing. 4. Upgrade your circle of friends. This is the perfect time to expand your social circle. Meet new people, attend events, and surround yourself with positivity. Not only does this boost your energy, but your ex might also notice your thriving social life and feel a pang of jealousy. 5. Avoid common pitfalls. I've created an alternate video about this tip where I explain 6 mistakes to avoid during the no contact phase after a breakup. The link will be shared in the description of this video. Here's what not to do. Don't stalk their social media, send late-night texts, or fish for attention. These actions scream desperation, and desperation is the opposite of what we're aiming for. Remember, the no contact period is about power and patience. And lastly, 6, reignite the spark indirectly. Find subtle ways to remind your ex about the good old times without texting them directly. This could be posting an accomplishment you both dreamed of, sharing a dance you two used to do together, or even showing a destination you both planned on going. Trust me when I say this works 99% of the time. Remember, the goal here isn't to manipulate or play games. It's to focus on yourself while planting the seeds for your ex to miss you. By following these steps, you're not just giving them a reason to miss you, you're also becoming the best version of yourself. Win-win, right? If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it. You've got this.